Hey guys, what's up? So today I am actually going to be doing a reaction video to Sumford Channel. I don't know who this is, but I'm pretty sure you guys may know him. Anyways, let's get on with the video. And do remember, we do got a face cam with this video. Okay, so we're going to start with the home. And I'm going to start with the trailer, because it's always a natural thing to go with.
This is my first trailer of the official vlogging channel. Hope you guys are excited for the new channel. I am. I can't wait to actually start posting with a new outro, a new intro. Very exciting. So, if you haven't figured it out,
this guy
I'm
is
not
like,
telling you the name.
I don't even know. He seems pretty amazing.
Obviously, I want you guys to figure out. Watch the channel.
I mean, his name's Chasing Memories, so I do like the name. Join the fun. Remy, with all good adventures. All the memories. Hey, I know those people. And I know that dog. Jump into friendship with the crazy a family. To adventure. Not chase vlogs. It's time for a new channel. Chasing Memories.
Okay, so you saw the trailer? You liked it? And
guys, so that was this guy's
as you saw,
intro.
it's
Like,
Chasing Memories.
he seems pretty cool. I mean, his name, I'm just reference. I'm guessing his name is Chase. So I'm just guessing his name is Chase for just reference. But I'm actually gonna do Minithon because I love, honestly, myself, I love working with kids. Like, I love just working with kids. Oh my god, they threw the money, like, that's just cool. They literally threw the money in the air. Chase? This guy's name is Chase. His sister's name, I'm guessing, or his wife? Wait, it's his sister, because young. Mom and Dad, yes, this guy still is at home. Chasing Memories, March 23rd and 24th, so I'm guessing this was a 2-day vlog.
The 23rd of March.
I don't know what my friend
10:37 right now
was watching, but I think this is mini.
Big
Some mini cards.
It's gonna be a fun day. School 12 hours, but
I farted.
it's worth
It tickled.
It
My butt
so
cheeks giggled.
I'll see you guys then, and I'm probably not gonna be vlogging too much, but I would try to get as much footage as I can. So
I feel like I'm gonna watch the whole video of this because it just seems like I should.
Yes, so maybe it's done.
Okay, we're going to Minithon.
Maybe it's done. It's done.
That's Allie. I still have my iPod, people. I'm recording from my iPod. This for you, Bentley. I love this song because it's from Bentley. Like, I didn't even know he was gonna say that, but. Welcome in my. Oh gosh, so this is 10:37 p.m.
10 o'clock? What time is it?
I want to vote. It is. Don't hate.
10:37 right now.
I hear anything. What are you doing?
We are kids. Just go so content and calm people. Whatever everyone. So it is almost 1 o'clock.
It's
Yeah,
almost
it's
3
almost
o'clock is
4.
what I meant. Guy meant to say, I'm guessing.
Alright, so we're playing Under Golf right now.
I'm not sure though, but it
I don't
currently
think you're
is
gonna see this wing.
2:55, I'm guessing. Small actions. It is 3:30.
Alright. It's done.
Teach me how to Dougie. 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 Teach me how to Dougie.
Today, finally.
Alright, it is 6 a.m. Oh
How many
man.
hours?
I don't know.
I don't know. That's Chloe. I think I've seen this person. Like I've seen him around school. Oh my god, they won $71,387. Oh my god, that is amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the next video because
It was a little early.
I don't know. I'm guessing that was his first mini-thon because Christmas decorating.
Hey guys, good morning.
Oh my god, this guy's putting his Christmas tree up. I guess his parents allow him to have a Christmas tree in his room. I love that song, but why did this person put in Spasmo? Like, I don't get this. I guess it's not copyrighted. I don't know. I don't get it. Because if you're wondering if you see it, I actually burnt myself today, so that's why. This guy's like going really fast, so I'm gonna fast forward. Oh, we're now on his lamp.
I'm gonna clean my room. I got my all of our stuff there. This year the review might do that. But this video yourself. So I have made snow, and there was.
Okay, I just want to I'm sorry I'm fast forwarding it.
Because sorry about the bag. I have another wreath over here. I don't plug it in here because it's good enough. So it's still on the same switch. I don't know if I'm keeping it like that, but
This guy is like, oh my.
if I find the spare lights, I think there's 8 in there. We'll see if I can find them. I'll see you guys then. Alright guys, I haven't got much done. I don't know what I'm doing yet.
I literally just farted in the video. This guy literally just farted.
Alright guys, my room is finished. I have to clean.
Alright guys, whatever. I'm ending the episode here. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell if you haven't already, and comment down below. I hope you guys actually get this was me, and that is my channel. So make sure you go like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell for that channel. And just go chase your own memory, because memories mean something to me because I chase them. And as you can tell, I've chased tons on my wall. I have over 100 and something videos on chasing memories. So if you haven't already, make sure you go like and go share that. Anyways, like I said, make sure you go like, and I'll see you guys then. Bye!